This is very unusual. People are really freaking out.
Usually there's cars all the way up to the front.
Yeah. Buena Park downtown. We've never seen it like this.
Never. Of course, Walmart.
I thought that's Duterte driving the car.
Really?
Yeah. Well, not too bad at Walmart. It's still packed. People are panic buying. But
Yeah, but
right
look at
here,
this parking here.
This is not bad, and this is not. Wow.
No.
Off to Walmart.
There we go. Hopefully we can find toilet paper.
Yeah.
We're off to get toilet paper tonight. Because we have to buy a certain kind. It's supposed to be septic friendly.
Yeah. For the RV.
Yeah. So to be it has to disintegrate real easy.
So here's Walmart, guys. Usually it's packed here.
Yeah.
Now it's totally different. Social distancing. McDonald's.
Yeah. Off to the toilet paper.
Not too bad. This is how you shop. It's the perfect day to shop. No panic buying.
That was good.
Yeah. Chocolates.
They're silky sweet promises.
Napkins. Oh my goodness. Empty shelves. What pads? What can I get? What the heck? Empty. As in. So, crowd.
That's where the pads are.
Oh. Do.
I wish you could have got that on film.
Well, that guy is looking at me as if I.
That was 200.
Empty. We didn't get what we need because, they're almost out of necessities here. To limit 1 gallon per household. That's not fat free, ha. Okay. Egg. It's empty. Everything's empty. Sour, do we get eggs?
Oh,
We're leaving.
well, that was a weird experience. There was like not much in there in the Walmart. And there's this one aisle blocked off, and there's like 4 security officers, and they're just like, get to the right, form a line. There was only 3 people, and they're yelling at them, and then it caused other people to come over. Like, what's the commotion? Do they have something good? And it caused a little weirdness going on in there, and but I mean, it was just weird. There was hardly anyone in there. Hardly anything. I thought there would be some stuff stocked back, but there wasn't. But we got what we needed. We didn't find no toilet paper, but you know, we still kind of plugging along. Probably make it till this weekend at least.
No alcohol, nothing.
No,
Baby wipes, no.
hardly anything in there. But
No sanitary pads.
But I don't know what everyone's, I don't know. Just weirdness out, that's for sure. Weird time, folks.
It's almost creepy, you know.
Yeah.
It's like doomsday.